This is a USB4 straight connector cable rated for data transfer speeds up to 40 gigabits per second. The connector housing features an anti-slip grip, making it easier to plug in and remove. We begin with A24 pin continuity test, checking each connection for proper contact. Next, the cable is tested with an electronic load. The measured power reaches more than 98 watts under load. We then verify the built-in e-marker chip and read the stored cable information. Tested before shipping. View the full product details using the link in the description.